Have you got a buckled alloy wheel? No problem. At Addison Tyres they have a new technology machine used by trained professionals who can repair your alloy wheel and completely remove the buckle. Our technicians take the utmost care with all alloy wheels and ensure that every job is done to the highest standard possible. We're offering this service to accident repair body shops, car sales tyre centres and the general public across the Black Country area. Located 52A High Street, Prince's End, Tipton, DY4 9HP. Call 0121 557 4019. Addison Tyre Centre. Unbeatable prices and a first-class service.